Here is how to turn off the end-to-end encryption for WhatsApp from iPhone. To turn off end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp is relatively easy. To turn it off, you will need to follow these steps. Open WhatsApp, tap Setting, go to the Chat section, tap Chat Backup, scroll down, tap End-to-end Encryption Backup. Now, turn this. Once you confirm this action, end-to-end encryption will be disabled for that chat, and the lock icon will no longer appear next to the contact's or group's name. Please remember that once you turn off end-to-end encryption, all previous messages in the chat will no longer be secured, and any further messages will also not be end-to-end encrypted. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.